welcome back. If this is your first time, I hope you'll stay. Espero que te quedes. Today is all about vocab. Do you know how to express yourself when you're talking about the emotions you might be feeling? Well, in Spanish, of course. I'm sure you're able to do it in English. And so this is what today's lesson is supposed to help you with. Okay? Enjoy. So this is an absolute brilliant activity if you're doing GCSE or A-level, and I'm going to just move the camera around a little bit so you can see the vocab, and you have to turn it into a domino. So you have envidia, celos, desengaño, a whole bunch of vocab, but I will go over it in a minute with you. But basically you have to make sure that it matches the emotion with the explanation of what's going on each bit of paper. This is brilliant. You can do this with a partner. It is just fine. I thought it was a great activity. I was in a psychology class this morning and I thought, you know, the kids were doing this great presentation. I thought this would be fantastic for you. Do you mind, Patricia? Let's see how we can do this. See how, if we are able to do it. The first one I've got is this. It says, I don't know if you can see it, that can you read it? I don't think can you read it? Yeah.
Llevas 2 meses en el extranjero y te acuerdas de una persona a quien eches mucho de menos. Y por el otro lado dice phobia.
Yeah, but phobia, that's not phobia. I said that's nostalgia.
Right.
Because nostalgia is homesick. We would use that to say homesick or...
Yes.
Do we say nostalgia? We say nostalgia.
We say nostalgia.
We say nostalgia as well. So we would stick that next to that one. Let's see if we can actually do a few of these together. Let's see. So that one would go here, here. That's definitely nostalgia. This is another one. Maybe I can't do the dominoes, but I can certainly match some of them. How are you going?
Let's see here. I'm looking to see if I can see the definition for phobia.
Okay.
Let's see here.
This will take a little bit of time, but it's definitely good for translating small sentences, short sentences. This says, te dan la nota de un examen difícil y estás aprobado.
Let's see. What emotion would go?
Yo creo que estarías
sorpresa
o feliz o alegría.
Or alegría.
Yeah, I would say surprise, because if the exam was difficult and you passed, you're probably not expecting to pass if it's very difficult. So I would say sorpresa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so too.
Me molesta mucho encerrarme en un ascensor.
Eso es phobia.
Yes, well done. Yeah. Where is your phobia?
Phobia is right
good. Okay, brilliant. Guys, if you want these, the student was so lovely. She gave me the PDF. So if anyone wants this, I can always post the link for that. Brilliant. Okay, this one says over here, you trusted a person a lot and suddenly they deceived you. Could that be with love? Desengaño?
That would be desengaño, I believe.
Yeah, okay, brilliant. Desengaño, guys, means a few things. A wounded heart or disillusion, disappointment. Yeah.
Feeling cheated.
Yeah. So definitely that one. Desengaño. If you did not know that one, there you go. I think it would be fantastic for you guys to actually download this link and do this for yourselves, especially if you have a partner who you can revise with. This way you're practicing reading as well as revising new vocab, because a lot of these we don't know. Asco, we saw Asco before. This one. Asco, how would we translate Asco?
Disgust.
Disgust. That disgusts me. Disgust. Okay.
Or in the US we say that's so gross.
Yeah. As well. Colloquially, we would say that. Orgullo. I'm sure you guys know that we've seen that one. Pride. We've got alegría, which is joy. Envidia, which is envy. Celos. You might not have seen celos. Jealousy. Capricho. ¿Cómo traducimos capricho?
Sometimes it would be whim.
Whim, true.
And there's another word.
Caprice. That's probably a bit more formal. Caprice or impulse.
Impulsive.
Yes. So an impulse to do something, or yeah. Amistad, which is friendship. Entusiasmo, which is enthusiasm. Esperanza, hope. I like this one. Enamoramiento. I love the way it sounds. So either falling in love or infatuation. Yeah, when you fall for something, you know, someone, that intense feeling. Perhaps best described as falling in love. Yeah. This one, you know. Sorpresa. Did we say desengaño? We did say that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think we talked about desprecio.
Desprecio. Desprecio, how would we translate desprecio? Desprecio.
Looking down on someone?
Yes, to snub. Snub, to snub someone or to slight them. That's desprecio.
Yes. I think we say snub as well.
Yeah, snub, definitely. Ira, that's my granddaddy's name.
Huh?
Ira, that's wrath, anger. Yes, rage, ira. I like that word. It's a very strong emotion. So it's good to know all of these words, because I think a few of them are quite new, especially for this level.
I think this one would be desprecio.
Desprecio, ¿cómo lo lees?
A rich white person, a person who is rich and strong looks down on other people.
A un negro pobre. So poor black person.
Afectado por la SIDA.
So okay, so SIDA, yeah, 8. So which one would we say that was?
My guess is desprecio.
Desprecio, definitely. I think this exercise is quite fun, but it does take a bit of time. So it is worth doing it with someone who is studying also. And yeah, I'm not going to go over all of them, because I feel as though it would take a lot of time to go over. So I just want you to remember the most important ones that I think are going to be useful for you. So asco, which is disgust. We have capricho. Where's capricho?
Right here.
We have capricho, which was whim, or what else did we say?
You said caprice.
Yes, or impulse as well. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And so, yeah, this is just a really cool idea for a domino that you would need to do with a partner. And I think it's a fantastic exercise to do in 2s or in 3s, and just to practice your reading as well, your reading and translating skills. So, yeah, get on with this. And if you feel as though you need the PDF, let me know and I will pass it on. Great reading exercise. If there's a word you do not understand, do let me know. Okay? And until next time, bye.